To place a Colony PCR order, please log into your account and select New Order. Here you can select Colony PCR as your template type, and it will show you the sample requirements in this bubble below. From this drop-down list, please select how you wish to send your samples to us. We accept individual tubes or 96-well plates. If you are choosing a 96-well plate, however, please ensure the orientation is correct. In the next section, you can create your master mixes. You're allowed up to 3 master mixes per order. Please select the primer or type the primer that you wish to use, and your second primer, and select Add Master Mix. To add a second master mix, please change these primers and select Add Master Mix again. You can do this up to 3 times. You can also, in this section, add synthesized primers to your order. Please check this box and add your primer name and primer sequence and select Add Primer. It will also give you a list of the existing synthesized primers that you have available to use. You can add any additional email addresses by typing them in this box and selecting Add Email. You can upload your submission by Excel spreadsheet or manual entry. If you're using the Excel sample sheet, please ensure that you download a new copy every time you place a Colony PCR order, as this will update the master mixes available for use. Once you've downloaded your template, please input the sample name into the first available column. You can choose a sequencing primer from the list of in-house primers, or your synthesized primers will be at the bottom of this list, or you can type your own primer name in. Please select the master mix that you wish to use and whether or not you'd like DGTP added to your order. Once you've completed your template, please save it to a safe space on your computer. You can then upload your template by selecting this button and choosing the correct file. Please confirm and upload the file, and it will show you a summary table below. Here you can add notes to the individual samples, and you can select and unselect DGTP. Once you're happy with your reactions, please select Next. Here you can add additional notes to your order and select how you wish to submit your samples to us. You can send your samples by free post by downloading the label here, or by collection box drop-off. Please then view the sample requirements by clicking on this link and tick this box to say you understand them, and then submit your order. If you have e-vouchers available to use, they will appear in this table here. Please select from the drop-down list how many you wish to use, and if you have a remaining balance to pay, please select Checkout and choose whether you want to pay via credit card, PO number, or spend down account if you have one available. Once you've completed your order, you'll be shown a summary page with your order number at the top. Please write this order number on the front of your envelope or bag of samples before sending them to us.